Okay, good morning all. Just letting you know it's Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to everyone. Just getting ready with the bike, loading it up again after stopping last night. Had a great time with the family. Getting ready to move on. Leaving about half hour, 45 minutes. And I'm going to be heading down to Kojonup. Got a couple of stops on the way as I've got to get fuel at Williams. And I'm also going to just top up when I get to Armidale. Just to make sure I've got enough. When I get to Kojonup, I'll be at my sister's place. Hopefully I'm able to throw the drone up there. And then I'll be moving on to Albany tomorrow. Okay. As you can see, the bike's not loaded yet, but I'm getting there. Just waiting on a couple of things to charge, like my drone batteries. They seem to be the slow part. Did have to make a couple of changes yesterday to the mounting. I had to move that there forward so it pulled forward on the bags because it actually covered my tail light, my brake indicator lights. So moving on from that, I've now got indicators showing. I'll have the backpack on the back in between the two panniers, and obviously a shoulder bag. Got the GoPro mounted up the front there, ready to go. I also tried the suction cap, but I'm going to use that at a lower speed first to see how it goes, like around Albany. And I'm also going to try the chest strap out today for part of the road from Williams down to Kojonup. Anyway, have a good day, and I'll see you on the road. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to follow me for the rest of the day. Oh, hey guys, just pulled up at Berkey's Patch in Bannister. Looks like a little tin shed, but it's a great place to get a feed. The servo where I stopped next door was closed, which says a lot about what they think of their business. But yeah, Berkey's Patch. Come in and have a look, guys. It's a great place. Okay guys, we're here with Berkey at Berkey's place that you've just been getting a bit of info about. Tell us a bit about the place, mate. What inspired it, why it's here, and opening hours, because they're the important ones.
All right, well, it originally was started out 5 days a week to give the local artists and producers somewhere to sell their products on the highway, because otherwise they've got to chase all the markets.
Yeah.
So that worked out pretty well. August, now that was November last year. August this year we shut down, put the kitchen in so that we could provide the food as well. We were doing coffee before, but now we're doing the food as well, and it's all going really well.
It's good to hear. So you mainly only local artists, or do you go further abroad?
Predominantly local.
Yep.
We've got 3 Indigenous girls, mother and daughter, Nancy and Nat, and then we've got another girl who is based in Perth, but she comes from down this way.
Yep.
And then we've got 3 or 4 other girls from Boddington and Wandering, and they provide art, which in due course we'll have that area over there behind you done up as the gallery. This used to be the gallery here, but with the requirement for a shop and the kitchen, we've changed that layout. So that took us a couple of months to do, and we just opened up in mid-October. So it's going really well, mate.
So let me just have a look around. I do highly recommend it. As a stop on the way through. As I said, I pulled in here because next door was shut. Said lucky I didn't need fuel, but great little place, great atmosphere. Do come and have a look, have a try their milkshakes. I highly recommend them.
Yeah, it's one of those. They tried to do 2 businesses in one building. Split the shell shop off as it was. And segregated it from the bistro part of the kitchen. And it just never worked. So, and they had a number of different business operators.
Let me just add, guys, the scenery when you sit out the back, it's absolutely phenomenal. I mean, you look right down there, over beyond that car, you've just got trees and open space, great place to sit down, and they've got umbrellas and chairs out the back. Not a lot, but it's a great little place. Should come here more often. So as you can see, it's a big open area. You can get in here with a car, not that you'd want to. You just pull up out the front like I have with my bike, and nice quaint little place. As you can see, just a shed, but they do great food. Amazing, absolutely amazing fruit cake or Christmas cake, whatever you want to call it, and their milkshakes. I highly recommend their milkshakes. Do not go past them. Okay, absolutely great. And they're open Christmas Day, which is more than I can say for that place over there. So lucky I don't need fuel, but yeah, highly recommend this place. Whatever you do, guys, take a stop, have a look around. They got a little bit of a gallery and some local products, and come and grab a feed. The people here, very, very friendly. Okay, so take a look around, grab a drink or a coffee, and stop in at Berkey's place. Sorry, Berkey's Patch. I need to learn how to read. Hi everyone, just letting you know that I'm doing well, still safe, still riding. I'm in Williams, stopped to have a drink and a bit of a wake up. It's a long ride, but I'm getting there. Yeah, just thought I'd best let everyone know that I'm still alive and still doing strong. Enjoying the ride. Tell you one thing, I stopped at Berkey's patch on the way through at Bannister. Highly recommend it. Hey guys, come and check it out sometime. Bugger the Riverside, they weren't even open today. But Berkey's sure was. Yeah. So that's it. Just so I let you know I'm still doing well. I'll probably have to fill a little bit of time before I head to my sister's place, but other than that, I'll speak to you guys a bit later on.